Welcome back. We make geometry easy. Learn more, study less. Geometry demystified for you. In this video, I'll show you how to copy this triangle here. You can take out your notebook and draw a triangle, then try to copy it. Well, this is how you copy a triangle using the tools that you have. So we start off with our compass, and we set the compass at the point there, extend the leg of the compass to the width of the base of the triangle, and with that as a measuring point, we can draw a line. Let's draw a line. Let's use a thin line. So we draw a line from there. Okay, there's a line of indefinite length, but we're going to use our compass and draw a tick there. And we're going to shift that compass, and using that point there as the base, we're going to draw another arc there. So what we have done is we have measured this base here and cut off links there. Now we want the length of this side. You extend the leg so it's the same. So it's the same distance as the length of this side. Okay. Then we'll come back to the base there. And we're going to draw an arc. Now we'll adjust the compass. Then we'll switch legs, and we'll come here. Try to get the measurement of that side there. Now we got to make it exact. Right, so with that there, we draw an arc. So we come back to this point here. Oh no, so okay. We come here and we draw the arc. Yeah. So having done that now, we can now connect the points using our ruler. And we can draw a line here. And we can draw a line there. And there we have it. We have, I believe, so to check, we can unlock that, the original triangle, and drag it down and see if it fits exactly. So we've copied that triangle. So that's how you copy a triangle, using your compass and the ruler. Now let's show you what's on the contents of the modules that are available, the lessons that are available on CXC Geometry and Trigonometry. Basic Geometry, 15 how-to video tutorials and interactive quizzes, triangles, how-to video tutorials on and interactive quizzes on the different topics, different types of congruence, SS and SCS and ASC and so on. And here are video snapshots of the thumbnails of videos that are available. Trigonometry, video lessons on trigonometry, the right triangle, function values of trigonometric ratios, introduction to algebra, and much more. So it's quite a lot. Geometric constructions made visual and dynamic. All these are videos. 3D figures, the cone and the sphere. So that's it.